Have you ever come across those viral POV videos on YouTube Shorts or TikTok? They're everywhere right now, racking up millions of views effortlessly. And here's the crazy part. One of those creators is making $700 per video. But there's a problem. Most people struggle with using multiple AI tools just to get one decent video. So I found a smarter way to create these viral AI POV videos with a completely new AI tool that even generates the scenes in a single click and offers multiple story types to choose from. All you need are powerful prompts. And don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to get those too. So, watch this video till the end, because I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step process. Welcome to AI Upskill. Here's a quick preview of what we'll be creating today. Before getting into action, let me quickly explain the process so you can see how easy and quick it is. First, we'll use ChatGPT to generate a unique name for our channel. Next, we'll use an AI tool to create a professional-looking logo. Then, we'll use ChatGPT to generate 10 spicy story ideas that are perfect for the AI POV niche. Finally, we will use an AI tool to create an entire video, including scenes and sound effects. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start your own AI-powered faceless YouTube channel. Ready? Let's go. First things first, let's create a channel name. Instead of spending hours trying to come up with something unique, we'll use ChatGPT. I've created a prompt document that makes this super easy. You can access it from the description. Simply copy and paste the prompt into ChatGPT. I'm instructing ChatGPT to act like a YouTube analyst, analyze competitor channels, and suggest 15 unique names based on the given details. And just like that, ChatGPT generates 15 channel names. You can choose the one you like. Now that we have a name, let's create a channel logo. If you've ever used AI for image generation, you've probably heard of Leonardo AI. It's hands down one of the best tools out there. Once you're on the Leonardo AI dashboard, click on the image generation. Before making this video, I tried generating a couple of images, and they turned out pretty cool. Now, copy and paste the prompt from my prompt document into this box. Just add your channel name that you've selected from ChatGPT. Click on Model and choose Phoenix 1.0. Also, make sure the aspect ratio is 1:1, and simply click Generate. Let's fast forward a bit, and bam, you've got a sleek, pro-level logo. Select the one you like. Now, here's where things get exciting. AI POV videos focus on engaging and surprising stories. Here are some of the story ideas ChatGPT gave me. Pretty engaging, right? So to get those, we'll once again use ChatGPT and my powerful prompt document. That instructed ChatGPT to come up with 10 viral POV ideas. And just like that, ChatGPT generates 10 incredible options. Now, all that's left is to choose the best one. I'm going with this one. Now, here's where the real magic happens. In the next 60 seconds, you'll see how to turn that idea into a viral video. But really quick, smash that like button and subscribe, as 95% of you watching haven't subscribed yet. I cover AI tools like this every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, time to reveal the tool that brings everything together. Introducing Shorts Auto AI. It can create viral short videos in minutes. Currently, it offers AI Image Story and the AI POV feature. So, head over to this tool from the description of this video. Once you have completed your sign-in, you'll be brought to this friendly dashboard. Now let me show you how to create a complete video in just 2 minutes. Click on the AI POV feature. Scroll down and choose a video style from a wide range of options. For now, I'll go with the cinematic style. Next, select a font from below, and click on Create Your Series. Here, enter the video idea generated by ChatGPT, and choose the number of scenes you want. I'm going with 9. Simply click the Generate Scenes button from below. Shorts Auto AI will start generating scenes based on your video idea, and as you can see, it has generated 9 scenes. The best part? Everything is editable. If you didn't like the scenes, simply click the Regenerate All Scenes button from above. If you want a specific scene to be changed, then click the Regenerate Scene button from here, and that particular scene will be changed. Now, simply click on the Generate Images button. It will generate images based on the scenes. So, let's skip the generation process. And there you have it. Now this is very cool. It actually lets you fine-tune every detail. If you didn't like an image, simply click the Regenerate Image button, and within seconds, your image will be replaced. However, if you want to change an image completely, then simply modify the prompt in one of the scenes, and navigate to the specified scene image and click on the Regenerate Image button, and a completely new image will be added. So I didn't like some of the generated scenes and images. Therefore, I have modified the prompt to generate images according to my needs. Also, the image text is actually the captions of the video. You can either leave the text as it is, or add time description text to all the scenes, as I did. Next, I would recommend you all to upscale your images for a more enhanced quality. Once you're satisfied with the images, simply click the Generate Videos button. And as you can see, it has transformed all of those images into videos with a single click. It contains the sound effect and video prompts. If you didn't like a video, simply click the Regenerate Video button, and your videos will be replaced by a new one. However, if you want complete control over the video movements, then simply modify the video prompt from here, and click on the Regenerate Video button, and the video movements will change based on the video prompt. Additionally, you can even edit the sound effects. Simply add your desired sound effect and video prompt, then click the Regenerate Video button, and according to the prompts, a video will be created. Also, I recommend that you all enter short and simple video prompts for smoother and more lifelike video results. So once you are done with the videos and their sound effects, simply click the Combine Videos button. This is how easy it is to create AI POV videos from a single idea. Let's skip the combining process. And, as you can see, our video is ready. You can even watch a preview from here, or download it with a single click. Here's a preview of what I've created. Let's talk about pricing. So I want to be transparent with you guys. Shorts Auto AI is not free. You can, however, receive free credits by providing feedback to them using this form. Additionally, this tool is quite affordable, and it's worth considering their subscription plans. So to purchase a plan, use the link provided below. And just like that, we've created AI-generated POV videos in minutes. This niche is booming, and you now have the complete guide for starting your own channel. As a result, I highly recommend giving Shorts Auto AI a try, using the link given below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to AI Upskill. My goal is to deliver you with the best and most latest AI tools. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited to try, and I will see you in the next video.